Hey guys, I just put my pegs on and they look nice, but right now they're only hand tight. What you have to do in order to tighten them is have a socket set that's bigger than 9/16, and we just moved, and guess what's missing? My socket set that's bigger than 9/16. It's pretty hard to get in there to tighten on the other side too. It's very small, but it can be done with the right tools as soon as I find them. And right now we're going to take off the Super73 drink holder and put on my Foldylock instead, because I hardly ever use that drink holder and I would rather have the Foldylock there. And through the magic of television, it's about to happen. Bam! Got it on before the sun went down. Yep, I love my bike, but it's broken, so I can't ride it. It is not functional. So I get to stay analog for a while with this bad boy.